So ladies and gentlemen, this whole story started with receiving a ticket for parking in the wrong place. But guess what? I have my revenge, as the thickness of the paper of the ticket is exactly what I need for paper patching my long-range bullets. Let me show you how I do this. Paper patch bullets do not have grease grooves for better stabilization over the sonic barrier. Diameter of the bullet is much smaller than the bore to give some space for the paper patching. I made a cutting sample from brass to cut the sheets exactly to wrap the parallel sides of the bullet twice. The thickness of the paper is exactly 1.5 thousandths of an inch. It is a quite strong paper used in thermal printers. 2 complete wraps will result a slightly larger diameter compared to what I will actually need. The process starts with dipping the paper sheet into plain water. Now place the bullet on the paper and roll it up tightly in the direction of your rifling, so when you are actually firing it, the rifling will not open it. Be careful for this direction, it is actually very important for accuracy. Now the last step is to fold the excess paper on the base of the bullet. Now let them completely dry overnight, but if you want to speed up the process, you can also use a hairdryer. When they are completely dry, they will look something like this. You can see that the paper stretched fully on the bullet. It's beautiful, no wrinkles. Now it is time to size them. Before sizing, the diameter of the bullet is around 454, 453, and we are going to size it to 450. Sizing is done in a normal sizing press, but be very gentle and slow because you don't want to tear the paper. Don't add any lubrication to the paper, as it will only lube just before shooting. The exact length-to-length diameter of my bore is 450, meaning that now we have a bullet exactly matching my bore. So now my bullets are ready. Let's see if I can hit an elephant with this thing at 100 meters. That's the start. The loading procedure starts with charging 72 grains of 1.5 F-Swiss powder through a long loading funnel. This is essential, as I want the powder to settle evenly in the breech. Now comes a 2 mm cardboard wad. It seals the gases and also protects the base of the bullet. Do not over-compress or crush the powder. You need equal force for each shot. Now I clean the residue of the previous shot. I clean on top of the cardboard bed, as I don't want to push the fouling into the breech. Bullet must be pushed down with gentle force, and we don't crush the nose of the bullet. Now it is time to add the very light coat of lubrication on the top of the paper. Don't do this at home, as you don't want to soak the paper. You need it to separate easily after shooting. Push the bullet in place with an equal and uniform force. Do not hammer it down, because you will ruin the nose of the bullet.
Egyszerre lőjünk. Akkor beremeg minden. Azért mondom, néztem, hogy... Így már ilyen hőfokon ez a jó. Adatok kellenek csak. 12 fordulót most üttem. Ezek a lőporok eléggé hőmérséklet érzéketlenek. Melyikek?
I recovered some paper patches from the firing line, and they did not tear, did not burn, proving that the material is good. The marks of the rifling were clearly visible on the paper. So ladies and gentlemen, what more can we say? That's a proof that the paper patch bullet is okay. It's perfectly serving the rifle. At 100 meter, I have 5 shots in the size of the 10 ring, a bit more than a 10 ring, which is good, which is absolutely good. This was the clean bore shot, the folding shot, which does not count. So this is the way to start. Let's check it at 200 meters after we set the sight to the center. The average muzzle velocity of the 5 shots was 362 meters per second, with the highest of 364 and the lowest of 359, which means that the extreme thread is only 5 meters per second, which is just excellent. It's very good extreme spread. Standard deviation was 1.8 meters per second, meaning that it's quite a good load and quite a good loading method as well. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching the Capandball YouTube channel. If you like what I do, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there. If you wish and you can support us on Patreon. You can find the link under this video. And also you can buy our authentic American Civil War percussion revolver cartridge boxes and cartridge formers, both in 36, 31 and 44 calibers. Well, what more can I say? Until next time, stay cool and keep your powder dry.